Hi, this is Group H1. Here is our project proposal final draft and capstone presentation in addition with our poster. So here we have the executive summary. It's the culmination of our project management efforts for the course. This system incorporates technology, cybersecurity, leadership, communication, quality management, and teamwork in order to improve healthcare delivery and management. The project objectives. The objectives of the project's core objectives of technology and healthcare delivery are best encapsulated by first outlining the security objective of protecting information of patients above all else. The information of patients are protected by securing them from all potential risks and thus fulfilling the aims and objectives of the Smart Hospital project, as well as the various regulations and laws that are framed to protect the information of patients in hospitals all over the world. Here we have the expected outcomes and organizational impacts. These outcomes of this project are not limited to the technology implementation. This project shall change the way of delivering healthcare in the organization by improving communication and decreasing risks. Also improve the operational performance of the organization. The stakeholder identification. Understanding our stakeholders is crucial for developing an effective communication plan. A stakeholder is anyone who affects or is affected by the project. While some stakeholders have formal power to influence the project, others, such as patients, may not have it but are still significantly affected. It's essential to consider both groups. Now, for the stakeholder roles, each group requires different information based on its specific role. As you can see here, we have executive leadership, clinicians and nurses, IT and development teams, security team, patients and families, clients and legal, and finally members and partners. So why stakeholders drive project successes? It's effective stakeholder engagement is one of the strongest predictors of project success or failure. Stakeholders are not merely an audience to be informed after decisions are made. They are active participants whose involvement can determine the project's overall value. And here we can see several key reasons why stakeholders matter, organized into 4 categories or 5 categories, each connected to potential failure that proper engagement helps prevent. Communication objectives. Our communication plan's main objectives are to keep everyone informed and involved during the Smart Hospital cybersecurity and patient management systems installation. Employees understanding of the project's significance and how it will enhance patient care, data security, and day-to-day operations is facilitated by open communication, by giving staff members the chance to voice concerns, offer suggestions, and take part in the implementation process. We also hope to promote teamwork. The project launch message. This message aims to generate excitement while outlining the importance of the project. Workers should be aware that this project represents an investment in patient safety, cybersecurity, and organizational excellence rather than just a technological upgrade. Employee engagement strategy. Employee involvement is essential for initiatives to be successful from start to finish. Regular updates, training opportunities, and recognition initiatives are all part of our approach to assist staff members feel supported during the change. Selecting the appropriate communication channels is essential for the success of any IT project. Different stakeholders require different types of information, so communication methods should be tailored to meet their needs. Executive leadership receives high-level status reports, while the project team relies on collaboration platforms such as Microsoft Teams for daily communication. The communication timeline and help ensure that the right information reaches the appropriate people at the correct time. Communication begins with the project kickoff meeting to establish objectives and expectations. During planning and execution, regular meetings and status updates keep the team informed and allow issues to be resolved quickly. It is crucial to continually assess the effectiveness of communication efforts and to ensure that stakeholders comprehend the project's objectives and expectations. To achieve this, the project team will collect feedback through employee surveys, departmental meetings, Microsoft Teams, email correspondence, and post-implementation review sessions. These communication avenues allow employees and stakeholders to voice concerns, raise questions, and offer suggestions throughout the implementation phase. One big problem is that employees don't want to work on the project because it might change their daily routines, how they log in, how they record things, and their security duties. This is another worry that clinical staff may have. New security measures may make it take longer to care for patients. To lower the risk, the project team should send a single clear word to the CEO, IT staff, and managers of each department. These are the references we used here. And here we have our poster that we collaborated on. We have the project description, the core capabilities, functional requirements, industry standards, project data summary, relevant data summaries, product specifications, the design process. Here we have the project justification and charts and graphs to support our theories and findings. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, thank you for attending our meeting.